All right, everybody. I have two new quality longs this evening. S and then oddly enough, a hedge with NVD, which is Nvidia. So it looks like Nvidia is probably trying. Look at the distribution volume bars starting to pick up, not going any higher. You have that combined with SMCI's reversal today and the upcoming Nvidia earnings catalyst. Nvidia, look at NVD. Looks like it's found a floor, curling, or basing, just like NVIDIA at the highs. Max green bop down here, volume truncation after having a volume truncation day recently. Another one that's on an up day overall. So I'll go ahead and poke this thing at 935, risking to the lows. But I'm going to tell you guys, I probably won't actually because I'm not going to be awake. I'm not doing the whole waking up at 3:30, 4:30 thing anymore. If I were you, and if I would take this trade, if you want to keep your wrist tight initially on the trade, after it fills, whatever that low a day, let's say it happens on Monday, okay? Let's say that it opens at 8 or 9:30, triggers and fills at 9:35, you're long, and that low day is 9:14. I'd put half my stops at 9:14. I'd make sure that this thing works right away or not. And if it shakes you out, reverses, then works, so be it. I'm so sorry that this isn't the old stock market that I'm used to. But without the uptick rule, without regulation FD, this could all be a lie. The Nvidia could start selling off, and the next thing you know, this thing could gap up to over 1,000. You just don't know anymore. And that, once again, is the problem. The other long position, KTOS, I like this. This is CanSlim quality. Earnings winner. Haven't looked yet to see if they beat on the top and bottom line. But today, hammer candle, above average volume. BOP is higher than the previous two sessions. Try to get long at 21. Willing to pay up to 21.25 for it. Going to calculate my size from this low. But no matter what, this will So guys, this is what I mean about this market. So it's probably should be calculating my size from this low, risking to this low, or this low. Probably should be calculating my size from this low, risking to this low. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to calculate my size from this low, and I'm going to risk to this low on KTOS. On NVIDIA, I'm going to calculate well, I don't need a note. I'm going to calculate my size from this low and risk to this low, but immediately be aggressive with stops because if this thing triggers and fills and fails, you're going to take that full R on that trade loss. So make sure you're okay with the dollar loss amount. If it's $100, $50, $10, $1, 1 cent, make sure you're sized accordingly. But NVIDIA short via NVD, KTOS long, nice weekly chart, very bullish. Security and protection services. You guys know I like that.